With the powder shaker unit now set up, we can plug it in. We want to ensure that each heating switch, shake powder speed knob and powder speed knob is turned all the way down. Ensure the heating switch is in the down position, and this makes sure that the elements are off. We can now power the shaker unit on using the breaker switch on the right hand side. To set the temperature of your oven, first open the lid of the oven and then flick the heating switch up. This will turn on the display for your temperature gauge. We want to ensure that the temperature gauge is set to 70. If you click Set, you can change the temperature with the up and down arrows. Once set to 70, press Set again and your oven is ready to use. We say to wait until the top gauge reads at the same temperature as the bottom gauge before closing the oven lid. Always ensure that the printer is in use and film is moving through the shaker oven before closing the lid of the printer. If the film sits stationary, you do risk burning the film.